In this lecture, I will show you how to speed up your performance inside Photoshop. Each one of us uses some options more than others, depending on the field you are working at. For example, I use few filters in the filter menu, like Gaussian blur. I use it very often. So each time I take a little bit to look for it among all these filters. So what I like to do is to go to Edit menu and choose Menus, and I will look for Blur, and give it any color, and I will do the same thing for Gaussian blur. That way, when I go to filter, it will be highlighted with the color I have chosen. And you can do the same thing with panel menus. I like to do this with layer panel. I will highlight export as because I use it a lot. And then you can save your preset if there is someone else using Photoshop and has his own preset. And if you want to delete it, just select it and click on this trash can.